Hi Harry, you can see here a nice drawing and we're going to draw the map of a particular country. Its name is Peru. You can see here. Usually in the movie, Hollywood movie Indiana Jones, you can see some adventures which was held in Peru. That's how I know the country personally. But for many other reasons, people need to travel there. Okay, or if you are a geographic student, then you need to know so many things and map of that country maybe. All right, so first I'm going to draw the outline borders of that country, then later I'm going to put the color inside just to show the shape of the country very clearly, yeah, inside the borders actually. And after putting the color, it will be visually very clear the shape itself. Awesome. Okay. All right, so there's the shape of the map of Peru. You can see the bordering neighborhoods like here. You can see the Ecuador, Colombia on the northern side. Eastern side you can see the Brazil, southern side Bolivia and Chile. Chile is a very linear country, and on the west side you can see the South Pacific Ocean. South Pacific Ocean. All right. So it's in a location in the South America if you want to travel. So you can see that it's a Latin country and borders with the Brazil. So the warm and humid climate. Awesome. So you can also browse through the playlist to have lots of drawings in different categories. We have thousands of drawings in our playlist. You can select your own choices and do practice at home. The more practice, the better drawing going to be. And every day we are uploading the new videos. So stay tuned, stay with us. See you in our next videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.